What's up, everybody? It's Eric and Jerry with Solar Power of Oklahoma, and today we are taking it to the streets to see how much people know about solar.
That's right, we're here at Scissortail Farmers Market and we're going to ask people 5 questions about solar. And if you get 3 out of the 5 right, then you get a gift card to Spark. Let's go see how they do.
Let's go see. Hey, we got to find somebody out here. Got to find some people who are going to answer some questions about solar. Do you want to answer some questions about solar? Win a gift card to Spark? All right. He wanted the gift card. He's just camera shy. It's all right. We'll find somebody else. Do you guys want to answer some questions about solar power? Win a gift card? No? All right. No worries. People don't want free burgers, but that's okay. We'll keep trying. Hey, do you want to answer some questions about solar? Win a gift card? Oh, a gift card to Spark, the burger place? Right there. In the park. 5 minutes. What's your name?
Jacob.
Jacob? All right, Jacob, first question. What Oklahoma-based solar company's tagline is "Stay sunny, Oklahoma"? Look at the tent behind you.
Solar Power of Oklahoma.
Yes! Got the first question right. Let's go.
Something tells me that it's Solar Power of Oklahoma.
Good job.
And we're with Solar Power of Oklahoma.
I'm going to go with Solar Power of Oklahoma.
Yes!
What Oklahoma-based solar company's tagline is "Stay sunny, Oklahoma"?
Oklahoma Solar, y'all's company.
Solar Power of Oklahoma, good job.
I guess it would be Solar Power of Oklahoma.
Yeah, you got it.
I think Solar Power of Oklahoma.
Yes, yeah, correct. What's your dog's name?
Liam.
Liam? Oh, Liam. Liam, what do you think about solar? All right, question number 2. What is the most abundant energy source on Earth?
The sun.
The sun, yes.
Solar power. So the sun?
Sun, good job. That was a good answer.
The sun.
That's right. It's looking us right in the face right now.
Well, it's not coal, and it's probably none of the other fossil fuels, so I would say that the most abundant is like that nuclear reactor up in the sky, that big bulb that's called the sun.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Oh, cool.
What is the most abundant energy source on Earth?
The sun.
The sun, there we go.
What is the most abundant energy source on planet Earth?
The sun.
Yeah, correct.
The sun.
Good job, the sun.
Question number 3, fill in the blank. By going blank, you can lock in your energy rate for life, be protected from utility rate hikes and inflation, and significantly lower your carbon footprint by going what?
I'm gonna go with solar.
Yes!
Solar.
Yes! Liam? Solar!
You say it.
You say
You say it. You say it.
Solar.
All right.
Solar.
Solar. Do you have a radio voice? Are you on radio?
Vegetarian.
Solar.
That's a good one. It is solar. You can't lower your carbon footprint by going vegetarian.
Solar Power.
Good job. Solar. Good job.
Save money to lower your carbon footprint. Good for the environment. Rhymes with goaler.
Solar.
Solar. Yes.
Well, I would say solar. Yeah, solar.
Green.
Solar.
There we go.
Question number 4, okay? After installing 100,000 solar panels in Oklahoma, has Solar Power of Oklahoma ever lost a panel to hail?
Hell no.
What? Yes, correct. That's a great answer.
I highly doubt it.
No.
To be stating the obvious, probably not.
No, we have not. We have not.
No.
I feel like probably.
I'm gonna say no.
Oh, good job.
They haven't.
Yeah.
What?
No.
No, we have not yet. Because there's some crazy weather in Oklahoma.
There is.
But they stand up pretty well to hail because they're pretty durable.
Yeah, they have to be. And if you're going to put them in Oklahoma, you've got to protect them from everything.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have not. No, not yet. Isn't that crazy?
That's good though, man. Hell in Oklahoma is hell.
I know, right?
Oh, that.
All right, last question. This one's pretty tough, okay? We save it for last. What percentage is the solar federal tax credit?
I'm gonna go with 21%.
35%.
36.
35%.
32%?
34? I don't know.
You guys are close.
38.
Yes.
27.
30?
36.
It was 30. Good job.
30%, which is pretty good. That's pretty much like a third off of solar if you buy solar. So
30?
Good job. It is 30. There you go.
30%.
Good job. That's the right answer.
I think it's 30%.
it is 30%. Holy moly! You got 5 out of 5 right.
Wow.
Gift card to Spark. The burgers are amazing.
I appreciate you guys. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate you playing today. Awesome. Have a great day. Here you go. Enjoy a good lunch at Spark. Thanks for playing today. I appreciate it.
very much.
Yeah, absolutely. Enjoy your day. He did an awesome job.
Here's one. I'll each give you one. There you go. Thank you.
Jacob, you have won yourself a gift card to Spark.
Thank you. Appreciate it, everyone.
Yeah. All right, gift card to Spark. And
Say, you know.
all right, thanks so much for playing, man. We love curbside.
Oh, awesome. Thank you.
Oh, sweet. Yeah. Dogs, people. What's better?